everyone, welcome back. Well, if you're a returning person, welcome back, but if you're brand new, welcome to 2.5 Gamers UK. Today, well, actually, this isn't really my video, but I'm doing the intro. I'm going to be helping Harry out to grab a games bundle, a really amazing bundle that he found off of someone I'm guessing you already knew this person.
A regular, online. Yeah, we've met once or twice, and I bought bundles from him.
Okay.
He's offered me a nice little bundle today, and we said, oh, why don't we go record it and make it into a video? So we thought, why not give it a go?
Yeah, so we're going to be, it's not going to be a very long video. It may very well be just a little mini vlog, just something. But we're going to show Harry picking up this bundle. He's going to show off the games. If any of the games look cool or you want to see us try them, let us know down in the comments below. And in all fairness, actually, let us know if you want more of these style videos, even if they're just quick ones of Harry going out and grabbing bits and we just showing.
We can't always record, like when we go to his car now to go do the deal. Obviously, they don't want to be on camera and things like that, which is obviously I would be the same. So you might not see us literally as we're doing the deal, but I mean, you can see we're in a car park. It's not. I mean, it's either this or crack. Like, I mean, it looks dodgy as fuck. Don't get me wrong, but we are going to buy games. Nothing suspicious. You know what I mean? Like, but we are. Yeah, we're not making this up or anything. But yeah, we obviously during the actual recording, they might not always want to be recorded. So.
Yeah, we always respect everyone's wishes, and if they don't want to be on camera, they don't have to be. And yeah, so ultimately, if the video is really short and doesn't show us actually doing the exchange, it's for the reason that Harry said. It's out of respect for the person, their privacy, but we are going to show what you've picked up. And again, the idea is to again gauge interest as well. A lot of the stuff Harry is going to grab, he's also going to sell on his Vinted. I'll link that down below. And yeah, if there's anything that you guys are interested in, again, let us know in the comments. Check out Harry's Vinted. But yeah, let's go pick up some games. Let's go pick up some games. Let's go.
Let's go get some games. Games.
Hey, how's it going? Look, I already appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to watch one of our amazing videos, whichever video that may be, but I just quickly want to take a moment of your guys' time to talk about a brand that we have decided to partner with on this very channel right here, and that's these guys over at Dubby Energy. Now look, I'm not going to sit here and pretend you guys don't know who Dubby is. I'm sure you've seen their logo floating around on the internet, on various social medias, but I just want to let you guys know that we, here at 2.5 Gamers UK, have officially partnered with these guys to bring you their amazing line of products for simply 10% off. That's right, if you want to try any of their amazing drinks, clothes, they do a bunch of amazing products, check it out on their website. But if you want to get 10% off of any of these, literally just use our link down in the description or use code 2.5 at checkout. I'm going to put the spelling on screen. It's in all caps, 2.5. Once again, spelling on screen to get any of their amazing products 10% off. And I'm not going to lie to you guys, since we've been partnered with them, I found myself loving their stuff as well. Literally, I've been drinking their energy drinks, which you can get in powdered form that you can then mix with water to make an energy drink, or you can get it ready made and just simply shipped to your address. But literally, since we've been partnered with them, I've been really enjoying them. I've been drinking it whilst I've been at work, whilst I've been gaming, whilst I've been at the gym. I found myself really loving their stuff, and super grateful that they have partnered with us here at 2.5 Gamers UK to give you their amazing line of stuff for simply 10% off. So once again, take advantage of that. Use our link in the description or code 2.5 at checkout. Have a browse, get any of their amazing products, and I tell you what, whatever you decide to get from them since you've seen this video, let me know in the comments down below. I really want to know what you guys choose to get from Dubby, and if it's through us using our code or our link, then yeah, let me know. I really would love to see it. But either way, that's going to be it from me here. I'll let you guys get back to whatever video you've decided to watch here on our channel. Really appreciate you guys and really appreciate Dubby for partnering with us and working with us and providing us with some amazing stuff. So yeah, thank you so much. Back to the video. Right, so we've done what we needed to do. Harry's got the games here. He's just going through them all properly now. But Harry, show us what you got.
Okay, so I'll try showing you the good stuff, because there's like 20 to 30 SNES games, and you might get the odd FIFA or something, so I won't show you the stinkers, but I'll show you. So you've got a couple of like just manuals. And oddly enough, I think you see like everyone that has a manual,
Yeah.
all of them games are in there. So,
Yeah.
like, that might add a bit to the value sort of thing. So you got like Kirby Fun Pack, obviously a nice sexy title for the SNES.
I've actually got that. I've got that twice. I've got a Japanese and PAL
Yeah,
region,
you
just like
picked
that
up
one.
and
Yeah.
and both times you'll be able to say like quite a.
It's a really good
common
Kirby
20
game.
to 30
Yeah.
sort of game. You got the Game Boy reader.
Nice.
These are handy to have. Like, I
Yeah.
don't collect for SNES anymore, but if I was going to have anything for SNES to play my Pokemon games on TV, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
If you know what I
Yeah,
mean.
because most people would probably just use the Game Boy Player on GameCube, or they'd get a Retron.
Yeah, to be fair, I've actually got Retron. I just shove it in there.
Yeah.
I don't even need that. Yeah, that's a good thinking actually. I just use my Retron. Oh look, I said I won't show you the stinkers. NHL, Unirally, like one you don't see quite a lot.
Never even heard of that game.
I mean, based on the cover, you're just on one of them, you know, the...
A unicycle, yeah.
I think what they called. Yeah, it looks like you're just on a unicycle. It could be quite like, one, how bad are they really games? Like, riding a unicycle game.
We are thinking about doing, so Harry obviously has to test a lot of these games before he sells them, and we have been talking about doing an idea where we could test them on stream, and if you guys want to buy them, again, drop Harry a message, and yeah, you never know, it could be a how bad is it really, it could just be, I've heard that's meant to be quite fun, actually, that zombie game.
I mean, you got like a lot of the good commons. I mean, whoever had these as a kid loved to draw on them.
Oh God,
A bit of ink there,
yeah,
but I
that's
should be
the
able to get
issue
them
with,
off.
with games
But you've
used
got,
like that.
Street Fighter, and that's the... I don't know if I think the Turbo's the good one as well.
Yeah.
So you got the Turbo, you got Donkey Kong, you got a lot of the classics, like a lot of the whoever's collection this was originally. Like, 'cause I think the gentleman that would buy him off, I'll keep his name out of it unless you can see.
Yeah, he wanted it completely private,
Yeah.
so that's why we didn't record the
I
actual
won't say how
transaction
much
happening.
I've spent and stuff, but
Yeah.
he gave me a very solid, very good deal, very friendly rate deal. So thank you for all that. But like whoever had this collection originally had all good titles.
Oh, sorry,
Like
wait,
this
is that
one-
Battletoads?
Yeah.
Ooh!
That's what I mean. There's good titles, like a lot of commons, but like these are the ones you want. Like
Yeah.
these are the ones that sell fast.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, most people would say that, but like the Marios sell quick. The high-end games, for as good as they are, an £80 game that's just cart only. There's a niche market for it. Only so many people are going to spend that money.
Yeah.
So it takes longer to sell. Like,
Yeah.
not all the ways, but quite a lot of the time. Like this one, I've never even heard of. Mystical Ninja.
Oh, Legend of the Mystical Ninja! Oh, no way! I have heard of this one. Yeah.
I have heard of it, but I've never even
A
seen it.
YouTuber that I used to watch do walkthroughs, that was one of his favourite games of all time.
So hopefully that's a good
Yeah.
one. This is one of the biggest ones in it. Super Metroid.
Got that, yeah.
That's a good.
Do you know what? I need to get into the Metroid series, and that's definitely one of the good ones.
Yeah, same here. I said I won't get shown more. I'm just getting them all.
I mean, why not? It's
excitement.
Yeah, it's video time, isn't it?
Like rock and roll racing.
Ooh.
Plock.
I've heard of that one, yeah, Plock.
And then again, like
Mario
Super
World,
Mario.
yeah, who doesn't know Mario
You see
World?
that quite.
What is
that's
that?
quite.
Rise of the
common.
Silver Server?
No, Rise of the Robots.
Oh.
You see that all the time.
I thought it was the Silver
know it
Surfer
sounds-
on the
Yeah,
cover.
I think that always gets me quite a lot when I see it. And then you've got, what else we got here? This one's quite a cool one. Like Arcade's Greatest Hits.
Ooh.
Got a couple of decent games on there. You got Road Rash. I think that's Road Rash. Road Riot, sorry. All Stars. Again, just All Stars you get every time in
Yeah.
a bundle. That's a nice one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. If you have a SNES and don't have Link to the Past, there's something wrong with you.
I really hope that gets cut as a short. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Just a good look. Oh, look at the colour of that one. Oh, that's what I'd put down as mint condition. And I'll scam you lot for your money. Killer Instinct. So, like, decent. Like, as you can see, like, good titles for it.
Yeah.
That's not all, though.
Oh, there's more? There's more?
You've got the console.
Yeah.
No point, really. Everyone knows what it's like. You've got some discolouring, like, just a standard console. There's nothing to show off there, really. You've got some, like, fake Pokemon Gold. A damaged,
that? Oh,
damaged
God,
Mario, but this does apparently still work.
Really?
So I was like, all right, we'll have a look. Got Chicken Run in there. A couple of random dodgy games, but then we've got...
Oh, yeah, I was going to say, this is what you really want to show off. These
Yeah.
handhelds here. Which he even, he turned them on in front of you just to show you that
a couple were faulty, which he already told me ahead of time, but spares and repairs, like, if I either fix them myself or send them spares and repairs and they still go, like this one works fine, DSi XL.
I love the colour on that. Yeah, that is a really nice
Really
colour.
want to get them boxed. You got...
Because I don't think they ever made a Luigi one.
2DS, 3DS, sorry. And this is, what they call new 3DS, isn't they?
Is that a new one or is that an old one? Hang on, open it up again, please. No, that's an old one. The new ones have the second little thumbstick over here. So that's an old 3DS
okay.
XL.
So they got good money on these though, so these come in handy. But like, what's good is, I should cross your front house. They have good value on them, so if you get them for cheap, they're always worth picking up. Any 3DS model, the prices just seem to be shooting up more and more. It's just crazy. I literally sold one of these yesterday as well on eBay, so another one for stock. The metallic red DS, I mean, conditions hang on average.
Yeah.
So you're not going to get full price on condition, but Toy Story. I mean, these were two here that were faulty.
Oh yeah.
This one, he wasn't actually sure what was wrong with it, but as soon as you turn it on, it just powers straight off. So if anyone out there that knows what they're doing, if anyone out there knows what they're doing and can say what the fault is with that'd be very handy. Saves me looking up my time and effort. And then a 2DS, but
I've also got the same 2DS as well.
Issue. Yeah, I've got a couple of these actually for sale at the minute, but a lot of like you can get like certain box ones where the box is like cool art, but it's just a black like normal 2DS in it with the blue ribbon. So
I think Mario Kart 7 had a one like that,
and another Mario one I think as well. Loads of SNES controllers. tons of SNES controllers. Some third party.
Whoa! I've never seen that one before. What is that? No, and the one you pulled out before.
That's a third party one.
That's so weird.
Right, SNES.
That's so weird.
I don't know what the screen is.
Yeah, what's that about? It's giving Dreamcast.
But I would say, realistically, you want the official.
Oh, obviously. No, but that looks... I don't know. I'd kind of want that just for something weird. Like, I would just display that randomly and be like, yeah, look at my weird SNES controller. We'll probably never use it.
Yeah,
that is really, really weird.
Odds on you ever using it before, you're going to use the official ones because they feel nice as well.
Yeah.
But then you've got some SingStar controllers. I think that's the majority. Oh no.
Oh yeah, I was going to say, don't forget about what's in the bag as well as the other big box down there.
I won't pull out what's in the bag just because it's nothing crazy. But like, obviously, you've got Joytech memory for N64. And then you've got, which is also a Rumble pack, which is always handy. Probably won't work, but hopefully it does. And in there you've got like a Wii U.
Yeah.
Loose. If anyone needs a Wii U, let me know. I've got about 5 loose ones of these now for sale. So someone take them off me, please. When they're loose, they just don't sell that fast. Like, I want some boxes. Like, I've got 5 of the things now. Someone take one, please. I'm begging for a special price. And then, last but not least.
Oh yeah, you've got to show this off.
That is I've kind of powered through it. There is a lot there, but I've powered through it. Then you've got Guitar Hero.
Yeah.
I don't tend to like picking these up. Most resellers will let you know they're a pain to send off. Like, look at the size of it.
Yeah.
It's literally half my body. I'm not the tallest, but it's like a third of me, maybe.
Yeah.
Like maybe half of it, but like a third. But like, he gave me such a good price, I couldn't resist.
Yeah.
So I took everything that he had today. Like, I took it all.
And didn't he say with that Guitar Hero, the only thing about it was the dongle was missing? But I'm sure you can find the replacement for that.
That's really what, like, you can't sell it without the dongle. It won't be any use. But and at the heart, they always go missing. But yeah, you can buy replacements and stuff.
Yeah.
So I'll probably look at doing that or just sell it without for cheap.
Yeah.
He done it such a good deal that I'll make money either way.
In all fairness, if you find a replacement dongle and want to test it, again, we could do a funny little Guitar Hero stream, just us playing a couple of songs or something.
The worst thing is, though, they're all made for right-handers.
Yeah, yeah.
I've been left-handed, I'm always at
Yeah, because I've got a Guitar Hero guitar, and I'm the same, I'm left-handed, so...
They're always at disadvantage, that's why I like the drums.
Yeah.
I used to think I was good at them, but I really have for every instrument on guitar, but I don't even go for giving it a try. But, yeah, that's everything. There's, some good money spent. But let me know, I'd be curious what people think the value of all these are.
Oh, great question. Yeah, put that down in the comments below.
What I've spent.
No. But people can take a guess.
Nowhere near what it's worth. He gave me such a solid good price.
Yeah, take a guess how much Harry spent.
Like, what would people that watch this think this is all worth? Like, very curious. Like, there's some good stuff in there. Some things in average condition and need cleaning up and stuff. But yeah, I think that's a job well done for today.
Oh yeah, 100%.
That's me done for the day. I'm going to have a nap. Take a year to go through all this.
And again, if you guys want to see more of these style videos, even if they're only quick, where we show the before and after, maybe even during, if the person's okay with us recording, we can do more of these style videos. And again, also follow the Twitch down below, because we are thinking of doing a series of testing these on stream.
Especially like, because I get bundles, not weekly, but you know, monthly at least.
Yeah.
I get some bundles, and we keep saying, yeah, whether it'll be this lot, 'cause I probably need to test it ASAP to get
To then sell it, yeah.
But bundles, we're going to hopefully do more of these style videos, and hopefully as we do it more and more, we'll get more footage and get, like, you know, people more letting of us get more of the actual deal footage and stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll probably stream a lot of bundles soon.
Yeah.
So if anyone is interested,
That's easily a couple of hours. Even if you just did the first level of every game, that's easily a couple of hours stream. And again, just to drum up some interest.
Keep it for another week to then just put it into the How Bad Are They series.
Yeah, exactly.
So if people are interested in this sort of style video, yeah, let us know. I'd be so game for doing more, because I'm out collecting this stuff all the time through Marketplace, or someone messaging me on my Insta and saying I got this for you and things like that. So,
exactly, yeah.
Yeah, let us know.
Yeah, let us know. Reflect also that you enjoyed this video by giving it a big old thumbs up. And if you are brand new, then what are you waiting for? Subscribe to 2.5 Gamers UK. As you can see, we've got loads more content coming in 2026. So yeah, we cannot wait for you guys to be a part of the journey. Yeah, that's it. But yeah, that's going to be it from this video. Thank you for inviting me along, Harry, to record you getting this. Yeah, and yeah, here's to the next one. All right, we'll see you guys then. Take care.